Yogi Tea Positive Energy Reviews. Description: supports elevated mood and energy levels. Contains caffeine. Non-GMO project verified. Made with organic yerba mate. Herbal Supplement. Vegan. Certified B Corporation. Compostable Tea Bags. Kosher. Certified organic by QAI, Incorporated. Non-Irradiated Ingredients. Oxygen-Bleached Tea Bags. Smile with Sweet Tangerine Positive Energy. Sweet Tangerine Positive Energy tea combines herbs traditionally used to uplift the spirit and a blend of Assam black tea and yerba mate to help provide energy. Lotus Flower and tangerine flavors add sweet, floral and fruity notes for a bright and spirited tea that's sure to leave you smiling. Suggested use: get the most out of every cup. Bring water to boiling and steep 5 minutes. For a stronger tea, use 2 tea bags. Drink 3 to 4 cups daily. Other ingredients: natural orange flavor, natural tangerine flavor, natural lotus flower flavor, organic orange peel oil, citric acid. Each tea bag contains approximately 80 milligrams of caffeine, as compared to approximately 90 milligrams in 8 ounces of coffee. Warnings: consult your healthcare provider prior to use if you are pregnant or nursing, taking any medication, or if you have a medical condition. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.